Oscar from Modern Plastics India and Modern Plastics TV. This year we are celebrating 26th anniversary of Modern Plastics India and Modern Plastics TV, which is running into its 14th year of operation. So today, to commemorate this wonderful occasion, we've got with us Mr. Deo CEO of Kabra, an amazing company with decades of experience in this space. Sir, welcome to our show.
Thank you very much.
Just wanting to know, sir, for the last couple of years, your line of business and any key milestone that you've attained.
Yeah, sure. So last couple of years being very excellent drive, especially I would say when we started offering our OPVC solution to the market. That's a oriented PVC solution. That's complete inline solution, means you have, once you start the raw material, you will get a pipe with socketing done. So that's I mean, there are very few suppliers like that in the world, and we are in fact we are the only one in India. That is what we are very proud of. So that is one on the pipe side for the machinery. As far as the blown film is concerned, we have developed a lot of different application and a unique application. The speciality what we have is we have developed always a unique application for blown film, rather than only focusing on the specific application. And that those are few, I would say, the milestones where we have achieved significant new product introductions.
So apart from that, if you could run us through your product portfolio for our global audiences, something unique that you're working on apart from this.
Sure, I would start from basically top two product portfolios. One is pipe. So we are into the plastic extrusion machine manufacturing. So the pipes which are made from the extrusion machinery, like for example PVC pipe, HDP pipe, CPVC pipe, etc. These are some of the names where we are having our machines, and we have completely integrated or vertically integrated the manufacturing in India. So we have two facilities in Daman where we make this pipe manufacturing machine. And also the second top important line is related to the blown film, which is also called as packaging, right? I mean, packaging application. So that's also one of our, I mean, that is our second application in extrusion. And in packaging, we have from mono layer, which is a single layer application, where we develop, take the polythene bag out to the multi-layer up to 7 layers. So that is a high-end application we have developed. And these two plants, like I mentioned, are in Daman, and those are major our applications in our range.
Apart from this, from micro to macro, now that we see a lot of talk, momentum gaining regarding the FTA agreement between India and the European Union, do you think that is going to impact plastic industry and business here in India?
Yeah, I am sure this is going to be, it has more, I mean, it has risks as well as opportunities, but we will like to look at more like opportunities. We have opportunity to offer the machines at much optimum costs with great bulk features, I would say. And so to the clients outside, not that we don't have a export business, we do supply, rather we have supplied to 105 countries globally our machines. So in last 60 plus years, so we do have a presence, but I think this opening up of FTA or having a no trade barrier, I would say, that always would help, that that opens the opportunities. As far as the threat is concerned, like some of the high-end machinery manufacturers from Europe may try to take a benefit of having a zero tariff to the Indian customers. But we are ready. We are developing, constantly developing, and looking for more and more R&D opportunities to achieve cutting edge.
And so on domestic front, do you see a recent budget which has made a lot of key announcements regarding SME space infrastructure, that we are in a way going towards Viksit Bharat stage? Do you really see, or rather you feel government should do more about it?
I think industries have definitely expectation from government, and governments have limitations. So balancing both of those things, they have presented a nice budget. There were some schemes which are announced, like for example, capital spend on the Jal Jeevan Mission Yojana, which is promoting, laying the pipeline for carrying out the water. And I think we really hope and looking forward that government spends that projected budget outlay in the financial year which is coming up, because that drives the market up and that drives the requirement also from the capital goods industry. So those are a few expectations, but I think in general budget was quite balanced and good. And I think there are a lot of good developments happening outside the budget, like for example GST 2.0. We talked about FTA. That's also positive, and I think these steps do matter and would help us and all industry in general to grow.
Finally, sir, a word or two regarding a platform like Modern Plastics India, which has been in the last 26 years helping this particular industry, reporting relevant issues. Do you think we should do more about creating awareness about what this industry requires, SME per se?
I think more of we adopting the Indian technologies, we giving opportunity for Indian manufacturers. We having the more opening the space. Plus, from the government perspective, one more thing is how government can facilitate further collaboration between the industry, SMEs specifically, and as well as the academia, the colleges, the universities, because they do have the competencies, the tools which industry cannot invest into. And I think if that platform can happen, then industries will definitely get benefited with that, with their participation, with their knowledge, and with their tools available. So I think that will definitely help to SME if government can kind of create a platform and remove barriers between these two collaborations basically.
On that positive note, thank you so much for giving your precious time, sir. Thank you, sir.
Modern Plastics India is doing a fantastic job since last 26 years in promoting plastic industries and the providing collaborative platform. And I wish all the best going forward for their journey, and looking forward to having more interactions and more inputs and more periodicals updates from them. Again, all the best.